Bilal and the Password Puzzle. Once upon a time, in a cozy little house filled with love and books, lived a kind hearted boy named Bilal. He was 9-year-old, smart, and loved to play games on the tablet. One sunny afternoon, Bilal's father came home from work and smiled. Bilal, you have been very responsible lately. I think it's time to have your own email. But remember, with great power comes great responsibilities. Bilal excited, really Baba, Jazakallah khair. I will be very careful, inshallah. Never use your name or 1234 as a password. Next day at school, Bilal was telling his friend Zian about his new email. Zian learned and whispered, Zian, tell me your password, just one. I would not tell anyone. Pinky promise. Bilal thought for a minute. He trusted Zian, but deep in his heart, he remembered what Baba had said. Your password is like your toothbrush. Never share it with anyone. Bilal firmly, I am sorry, Zian. I cannot share it. It's not safe even with friends. Zian looked surprised, then shrugged. Zian, okay, I understand. That's smart. That night, Bilal opened his tablet and saw a weird message pop up. You have won a free game. Click here to download. His heart skipped a beat. Bilal excitedly, a free game? But just as his finger was about to tap, he remembered what Mama had once told him. Mama, sometime what looks shine and fun online can be a trap. Bilal quickly closed the message and told his parents, You did the right thing, Bilal. You were wise, like a real digital Muslim. The next day, his school held a special assembly about digital manners. The teacher asked, What would you do if someone asked for your password? Bilal stood up, smiled proudly, and said, I did say, No, thank you. My password is private, just like my dua with Allah. Bilal closing his tablet, whispering a dua, Ya Allah, protect me from anything that harm me online or offline. Ameen. Moral of the story? Always protect your privacy. Never share your password. Think before you click. That's how we stay safe. The Muslim way. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the story, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.